This is the genuine Gerber GA712003 flush valve. It does come complete with the gasket and the nut to secure it to the tank. It also comes with the flapper, the chain, and hook to connect to the lever. This is the overflow, and this right here is where the replenish tube would go from the fill valve into the flush valve. And then I'll show you real quick how to replace a flapper. You just remove those two ears right there. The flapper will come right off. And then to put the new one on, set it back down on there. Take the ears and just push them down over the little plastic pieces on the flush valve. And then get a few measurements here. There's that. This is a 3-inch flush valve. And if you would like to purchase this part, there will be a link in the description to our website. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber GA712003 flush valve.